How to change your username on Roblox mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your username on Roblox mobile. First, launch a web browser on your mobile device and then go to the Roblox website, which is roblox.com. If you are not already signed in, log into your Roblox account using your current username and password. After logging into your account, now go to the top right corner of your page and tap on the gear icon. Next, tap on the settings option. Within the account settings, you should find an option to change your username. Tap on this option and then tap on the verify email option in the pop-up. Depending on your account security settings, you may need to verify the username change through an email sent to your registered email address. Once you've confirmed your email, you can update your username on Roblox. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.